Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show you how to create kit products in Ari. So first, let us understand what kit products are. Kit products are made by combining two or more individual or different products. For example, if my store sells cricket bat, a ball, and stump set, then I can make a kit combining all three together and sell them as one unit. Let's name it as a cricket kit. So let's understand this with the help of creating a kit first. I will name this as cricket kit. Let's say UM will be unit, sports. Here, to make a kit product, I will have to select the product type as kit. Now, in here, I will have to enter the names of components. So let's say a cricket ball, bat, and then stump. Here I will enter quantities required individual. Now I will click here to select images. And now I will save this. So in this way, we first have to create a kit product under products. So I will save this. Now, here cricket kit is the final product made by combining three individual different products. And these individual products are called as kit components. Here in Ari, kit can be of two types. Either it can be a serialized or non-serialized. So Ari supports four different types of kits to be generated. Kit product and kit components both are non-serialized. Kit product is serialized and kit components are non-serialized. Third, kit product is non-serialized and kit components are serialized. Fourth one, both kit product and kit components are serialized. Now, we have introduced a kit to the system. Now we will click here under transactions, navigate to inventory and click here kit generation and split. So in this form we are going to generate our kit. So I will select here kit type, generate or split. So we are generating a kit. It is I will select the kit from the drop down. Let's say I need 10 quantities and I will need to mention the stock point from where the individual products stock will be taken. Once I have entered all the values, it will display us how many possible kits quantities can be generated. So we can see here possible quantity of kit generation 25, out of which we require 10 quantities to be generated. So I will click here on process, and I will click here on save button. So in this way we have generated 10 quantities of kit type product. Now we have seen how to generate a kit product. So similarly, we will now see and learn how to split a kit product. Again, I will select the drop down product from the product drop down. Let's say I want to split 5 quantities. I will select the stock point. Now it says kit current stock is 10 that we have just generated before, and out of 10 we are splitting 5 kit. So similarly I will click here on process. Now it says the current stock is 15, release quantity is 5. So once the document is completed, we will have the balance quantity as 20 each. So I will save this. Now, and is the document saved successfully? So please note that after kit split, the stock of kit product will decrease, whereas the stock of kit components will increase. So in this video, we have seen how to generate and split a kit product. Thank you.